What if you could achieve the full glorious potential of your book manuscript and really bring to life on the page those things that you're seeing in your head? What if you could become a more competent and capable writer over time, constantly growing in skill and opportunities? What if you could actually save a significant percentage of professional editing fees and/or get even better results when you work with a professional editor? What if you could access publishing expertise worth thousands of dollars for a fraction of the cost? I'm Belinda Pollard from smallbluedog.com. I'm an author, editor, writing coach, blogger, podcaster and speaker. I've been learning the art of editing for decades, in formal studies, during my journalism degree, and later in preparation for sitting the National Accreditation Exam of the Institute of Professional Editors. In a hands-on way during more than 20 years in the book publishing industry. In community, as I discuss ideas and strategies and concepts with other writers and editors. And personally, as I experiment with different ways to edit my own writing. I've been teaching writing, editing and self-publishing workshops for many years, and this particular topic, self-editing, at a range of writers' centres, writers' retreats and national conferences. Self-editing for writers is probably my favourite topic because it's not just about improving a manuscript, it's about developing skills and strategies that will help you grow into the writer that you were born to be. I have seen some amazing things happen over the years. Writers have asked me for a series of mini courses rather than one enormous, comprehensive, overwhelming course, and I've listened. Self-Editing for Writers 1, Foundations, creates the bedrock for this new series, and this is what we'll cover in this first course. What self-editing is and what it isn't, helping to dispel some of those myths and misconceptions that get in our way. Key self-editing elements of non-fiction, fiction and memoir, the things that they have in common and the things that are different. Self-doubt in self-editing, how to tackle that, because I've discovered that it really can be a barrier for many writers. 3 fundamental levels of self-editing, and also when to do the different self-editing tasks across the project. How to see our own writing objectively. How to get useful feedback. I think we've probably all experienced the non-useful type of feedback. So this is about how to get stuff that really does help, and then how to apply that feedback effectively to our writing. All this content is condensed into just 2 hours of lessons. No fillers, no fluff. You can choose to watch videos, or listen to audio, or read transcripts, or all of the above. You can watch it all at once or in bite-sized segments. You can study at your own pace, whatever suits you, and come back to any or all of the lessons again and again whenever you wish, because you have permanent access for the life of the course. My goal, whether you are a new writer or more experienced, is to empower you as both writer and self-editor to learn to trust yourself, to make discoveries, to grow in skill and confidence, and to enjoy the process. I want to teach you to add both that surface polish and that deep foundation of clarity and strength that undergirds your writing. My training is practical and fun and full of power tips. I don't hold back, I give you the secrets. And as a special bonus, founding students of this course receive complimentary membership of my private discussion forum, Useful Writing Tips, where you can ask me questions and also talk to other writers who are on the same page as you, so to speak. There is also a 30-day refund policy, so you can try it completely risk-free. Click the link below to find out more and read testimonials, or just get started. I can't wait to welcome you to the course. I'm Belinda Pollard from smallbluedog.com.